Hi guys, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how you can participate in the IDO sales on the PEAKDEFI Launchpad. My name's Doreen, I'm one of the coin analysts at PEAKDEFI and I'm responsible for the due diligence process and also onboarding new projects. And today I would like to give you a short guide on how you can participate in one of our IDOs. So if you're on the PEAKDEFI Launchpad website, you need to scroll a bit down. And then you can find here the short guide on how you can participate. So the first step is to stake Peak tokens. And if you want to have more information about how many you need to stake, etc., you need to go to the tier system page here. Here you can see we have 5 tier levels with a guaranteed allocation, and you need to stake at least 10,000 Peak token to be able to participate in one of our IDOs, so that you're in the tier level 1. And this goes up to 1 million Peak tokens at the tier level 5. And depending on the tier level you are in, you can buy more or less tokens in the IDO, so the tier level is pretty important. And in principle, the higher the tier level, the more tokens you will get. Besides that, you can calculate how many tokens each tier level will get in total by having a look at the pool weights here on the right. So if you add up all these pool weights, you have a total of 142. And the 142 are equal to 100%. So if you want to know how many tokens each of the tier levels will get in percentage-wise, you need to divide 100 by 142 and multiply it with the pool weight of one of the tier levels. So let's say we have here the tier level 4. You have to divide the 100 by 142 and multiply it with 38. And then you have a total of 26.7%. So you know the tier level 4 will get 26.7% of the total amount of tokens which will be distributed. And if you're in one of the other tier levels, you can simply calculate it the same way. So always divide 100 with 142 and then multiply it with one of the pool weights. So that's the first step of the PEAKDEFI Launchpad. So as I said, you need to stake at least 10,000 Peak token to be able to participate, and then you're on the tier level 1. After that, you have to start the KYC process. Here we work together with the BlockPass software, and you need to identify yourself by uploading your ID and share some information about yourself. If the process is successful, you will get an email that you are ready to participate on our PEAKDEFI Launchpad. After that, you have to wait for one of our IDOs to start the whitelisting or registration period. So if the time has come, you can simply click here on register and you will see the ongoing or upcoming sales. So if you haven't registered for one of our IDOs, you have to do that first. But today I will show you how you can participate in the sale process. So I have already registered and got whitelisted, and now I can participate in the sale process. So if I click here on tangible, you will come to the product detail page here, and you can see the registration period has already closed and the sale period has started. I registered myself, so that's why I'm able to buy tokens. And if you have done all the steps mentioned before, you are now able to buy the tokens here on the project detail page. By this, you need to connect your wallet. Here's normally a connect wallet button, and you just need to sign up in MetaMask, and then you can participate here. So in my case, I want to deposit 500 BUSD. So I will get 250 tangible tokens because the price of one tangible token in this case is $2. Then I will approve, and here's also a reminder because you have to keep in mind that you can only deposit once. You can't deposit any more BUSD afterwards. So I will approve now the 500 BUSD. Now MetaMask opens, and I can confirm here the transactions. Now you can see here down there, it's pending. Now it's approved. Perfect. And now you can click here, buy tokens. MetaMask opens again. And you need to confirm this. For the transactions here, you also need to have BNB in your wallet. So for both transactions. So you can confirm this now. And the transaction is pending again. And now you can see we have successfully deposited 500 BUSD. And as you can see here, it worked, and I have now 500 BUSD deposited. And after the sale period, you will then see here a tab which says your allocation. And in this tab, you will see all the information about how many tokens you will get in total, how many at the TGE, the vesting information, cliff information, etc. And you can also claim your tokens. So that's it, guys, for the video. I wish you all the best and also happy gains for the future.